Justin Vacula here in La Paz, recording at the side of beach. This is February 2024 off of the Carnival Panorama cruise ship. Nice temperature, about 70, 75 degrees. Could see sandy area with looks like exercising equipment, some different gymnastic bars, some equipment to help you do push-ups, and some people going in the water. Reports that the water is too cold, but some people just dipping their toes in and walking through, but not completely submerging. You can see they're at the beach in the sand. On the other side of the street, you can see some nice buildings. Up top, looks like some nicer areas, perhaps apartments or restaurants. Many of the palm trees. Baja Blast Adventure Bar. Back, people walking through. Going back to the beach, or they're digging in the sand. Maybe some shells that you can see on the bottom. Waves crashing in, it's going by quickly. Several people walking through the sand. Coming up, you could see what looks to be a Ferris wheel being assembled. Mostly there, somewhat there, for the upcoming Carnival celebration. In the back, you can see various boats moving along, smaller boats, bigger boats, and more of the pelicans that you probably saw in a previous video. Closer to the beach, see very clear water, very clean here in La Paz. Nice water. More towards the back, you can see some mountains, some buildings at the side. Really nice view here. Very clear day, maybe a little bit cloudy, but overall nice in La Paz. Just continuing to walk through, we have a few hours in the cruise port before we have to go back to the transportation. You can see the workers in the back with the Ferris wheel doing other things for setting up. Thanks for tuning in. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. Stay tuned for more cruise and travel videos.